Hello folks, myself Akhil from WM Originals, and today I am going to talk about the best screen recorder and video editor available. Here I am talking about Wondershare Democreator, which I personally use to record my screen and edit videos. Now it has a new update and I can say this is the biggest update for Wondershare Democreator. Democreator version 5.0 brings new capabilities to its screen recorder and now it has 3 screen recording modes. It brings AI face recognition, which automatically recognizes face and fits your face into screen recording. The best of all for me would be the features Democreator 5.0 brings to video editing capabilities. Version 5.0 brings new text and annotation tools. It also brings so many new stickers, transitions, effects, and motions. And the best addition is Effect Store. Wondershare Democreator version 5.0 brings Effect Store to Democreator. It includes 10,000 plus resources and templates. Let's give it a try and review Wondershare Democreator version 5.0. Here I have already installed Democreator 5.0 and you should notice that it has new interface to start with. Here it has option for new recording, record screen or record game. Now we have a different section to start Democreator video editor directly from here. And here we have recent projects. Just select a project to start editing, or you can also open a project file by clicking on open project. Now let's give it a try and see what Democreator version 5.0 brings to us. Click on new recording and here we have option to select recording area as before. Now in full screen we can also choose video quality, HD, full HD or custom size. We can click on this to select a target window later. We can select frame rate from here, which can be up to 120 fps. We can also enable screen drawing tool from here. And now here we have mic, speaker and webcam options. Democreator 5.0 brings new capabilities for webcam recording. From here we can turn on camera. We can also select webcam mask type to be circle or rectangle. We can turn on AI face recognition just like this, and we also have mirror image as well. This way you can show your face round or square background, can also reverse face direction and remove your background to just show yourself. These are some awesome additions to recording mode with Democreator version 5.0. We can also directly jump from here to video editor and can also switch recording mode. Let's move to record screen, and this can make screen recording faster. As if you just want to record screen and don't need any webcam overlay or don't want to use screen drawing, then it's best for you. Just turn on system sound or mic and you are good to go. Click on record button to start recording and it starts recording now. Now what if we have something missing and want to start over? Just click on this delete and restart and here a warning comes. Just click on yes and we can delete previous recording to move and record again. Now once we are ready, just click on record and now again recording starts. And once we are done, click on stop to stop recording. And now here we have new edition of Wondershare Democreator 5.0. Now we can directly fast export our recording from here. Just click on fast export and from here give it a name and choose location. And then click on fast export. And within seconds at lightning speed our recording gets exported. Now if you want we can open video editor or start a new recording from here. From here also we can go to video editor or switch recording mode. Let's move to game recording mode now. From here just select a game which you want to record and then select frame rate. And thereafter select recording device options. And then we are good to record any of the games we want. Now let's talk about the best of changes coming with Democreator version 5.0. It's the video editing capabilities of Wondershare Democreator. I just love what it offers now, and here we have the video editor. Now from here we can just simply import any of the video files or can also have a screen recording to edit. Here in video editor we have lots of changes coming along. Here in text we have lots of additions. Here we have dialog boxes, arrows, sketch and shapes. Well, we had them previously, but we have many more choices now. Just drag one text to video and we can edit it from here editors panel. Changing text now and now. From here we can add behaviors to text. Just click on video and now from here scroll down to behavior. And from here we can choose a behavior type. Here we have type effect, cross zoom, pixelate and many more to choose from. Let's select type effect and here is preview for this. It looks nice. I can mark it as favorite and then access it from favorite tab. This is the addition version 5.0 brings. Let's move to transitions and here we have so many options being added. Color transition and have many of them available over here. Just choose any of them and add it to your video to mark a smooth transitions of scenes. Let's add one to our video. Just drag between clips or any other text or image and you can see your transition being added to video. Now let's talk about the greatest additions coming along. Democreator version 5.0. Well, that is Democreator Effects Store. Yes, now you can have access to thousands of openers, lower thirds, transitions and effects from here. We can just have a quick preview of any of these packs and if you love them, just click on this download icon to download it and then use the effects as per your requirements. You can also search for an effect pack. Just enter the keyword and you will see related effects pack. Here we have business, education, tutorial, lifetime, game effects pack. Just choose the category of effects you want and you will get it from here. Here we may seek some crown effect pack. Well, to get that we need to upgrade our account and then we can enjoy unlimited downloads of media assets and enjoy royalty free licenses. So as I said at the start, it has things for everyone. And if you want to try it out, check the link in description and pin comment. Now once we are done with video editing, let's export it and for that click on export. And from here we can give it a name, select video resolution, change audio settings and once done, click on export. And once export completes, click on open folder to open file location. And here we have our video ready. Let's have a quick look at the video. Wow, is not that fantastic? Wondershare Democreator version 5.0 has made screen recording and video editing so easy. I will highly recommend you to go ahead and try out Wondershare Democreator. And even if you are already Wondershare Democreator user, you should upgrade to version 5.0 now. Now let's talk about the pricing plan and the upgrade plans for Wondershare Democreator version 5.0. And here we have details about pricing plan of Wondershare Democreator version 5.0. Here with perpetual plan, everyone will get Democreator effects giveaway of 1 month. So choose a plan as per your requirement and go ahead with purchase. What do you think about Wondershare Democreator version 5.0? I will surely give it 5 out of 5 for now. What about you? Share your views in comments. This is what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to WM Originals. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.